Hey everybody, on this edition of Stock Lock Sunday, we're going to pick some handcuffs here. And of course, it's always better to let the police open them, but if you're into getting pepper spray, then you can do it yourself. So we've got a key ring here that bent and broken here. She made this several years ago. Alright, so there's that one off. Almost. So close to freedom here. There it goes. All right. So it's handcuffs picked here, and that will do it for this edition of Stock Lock Sunday. And also check up in the corner here. I'm doing a giveaway as of December 16th. It's still live, so head over and check that out and get in on that if you're in the United States. And that will do it for this video. And we'll talk to everybody later.